Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a way to help your YouTube videos get more views, more likes, more hearts, and more subscribers. So, if you want your videos to easily reach the top of YouTube search, make sure to watch this video until the end. This is the interface of the MKT Tube software. Here, the software allows you to manage an unlimited number of YouTube accounts. Next, if you want to seed your videos, just go to the video seeding section. Here, you'll set up the configurations for the software so it can run. You can set the number of threads. As for me, since I'm configuring my machine, I'll set it to 18 threads. Next, you just need to paste the video link that leads to your channel. You can set it up to like, subscribe to the channel, or even comment. For comments, you can have them follow your own script. Here, I'll show you a few sample scripts that I want to use for commenting on my video. There you go. Here, these are some examples of comments that I want to post on my video. Next, just save it. Here, all that you really need to do is simply load all of your various YouTube accounts, then carefully select all of them, and finally just click the Start button. The software will then automatically open all of your designated YouTube accounts, along with your associated Google accounts, and subsequently begin watching your video content for you. That way, you can significantly increase the overall number of views on your video content, substantially boost the likes it receives, and ultimately get many more valuable channel subscriptions, which will genuinely help your video get recommended much more easily and frequently. If you need a tool to boost interaction for your YouTube channel, just contact me directly via Telegram. Or you can check out the information I've left below in the description.